We want to blow stuff up, so that's what we're gonna do.
This is the most expensive firework in the entire world, and it cost me over $160,000. And I also have a $5,000 firework, a $10,000, and this big behemoth right here is a $40,000 firework. And everything here, we spent over $600,000 on this video, and every single firework will be launched. This firework is the most epic thing you have ever seen. Chandler, give me a countdown. 3, fire! Oh my God. That looks like a dick. Things are about to get crazy. This is a $40,000 firework. There's a lot of stuff. 3, 2, 1, fire!